Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, loosen the 2 screws on the back of the base cover. Remove the 7 screws securing the cover. Pry the cover away from the recess points near the hinges to lift it off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw. Loosen the screw on the right side of the drive and unlatch it. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280, relatch it back to the system. Tighten the screw on the right side of the drive and install the other screw. Reconnect the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 9 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.